Afternoon. My name is Marcus Burns, and what I did my presentation over was the company Quick Trip. The reason why I selected Quick Trip is because Quick Trip is a company that is well known in our city and around our region. Quick Trip actually was established in 1958, and the first building was built in Tulsa, Oklahoma, back in 1958. So I thought Quick Trip was a great company for me to do my presentation over. So I'm not going to go too much in detail on the mission statement, but to sum it up, Quick Trip's mission statement is mostly about investing dollars into the community. They're very big about the community and volunteering as well. And in the vision statement, Quick Trip does share they partner with the company Safe Place, which I'm sure when you go into a Quick Trip, you see the sign Safe Place. So if anyone's in danger, Quick Trip associates are equipped and trained to be able to know exactly what to do in that situation to make sure that you are safe. So with Quick Trip, when you stop by a Quick Trip, there's some behavioral norms that you and expect from Quick Trip. Just a few that I kind of outlined was a warm and friendly greeting, a quick service, and consistency. And that is something that is expected most of the time when you stop by a Quick Trip. Doesn't matter which one you stop by out of the multiple locations that Quick Trip has in our region, and not only in our region, but just in our city alone. If you stop by a Quick Trip, you know that you're going to receive this type of service every single time. This is their behavioral norms that was built into the brains of the associates from day one. So it starts with the leaders. The leaders of Quick Trip, they do have weekly one-on-one meetings with each associate to discuss how well they're doing, what are things they need to work on, things that giving them praises. Leaders also walk the walk. So the leaders, they deliver just as well. They do give that warm and friendly greeting, smile, greeting customers as soon as they walk in the door. Because if the leader isn't doing it, of course the associates aren't going to do it. So the leaders walk the walk. And the leaders are also held to a higher standard. So kind of to give you a little bit more information on where I kind of got this information about Quick Trip, I have an associate that works with me that just left Quick Trip a few months ago. So I interviewed her, and she was able to give me this information and explain to me that the managers are held to a higher standard than the associates. They do have mystery shops that stop by, and they will shop every single associate in the store. And the leaders are held to a higher standard because if an associate misses something on the mystery shop, you have to slap on the wrist and let's do better next time. But if the manager misses it, it's a totally different conversation. And so the associate was informing me that that's not, if you're a manager, you never want to be in that position because the outcome will not be good for you. So for new employees, when new employees start the organization, they are trained right away of those behavioral norms and the importance of the behavioral norms. They are also introduced to the team and brought into the team during their huddles. And also they're introduced to us as the customer because, when you stop by a Quick Trip, you see a new person. They may not be as fast as the other associates, but you can tell because they all have the training on their name tag. So you know right away, and that's their way of introducing that associate to you as the customer as, hey, this person's in training. Now, with the associates, when they follow those behavioral norms, it influences them in a few ways. One, it creates a good work ethic because, I mean, I've been a manager for many, many years with different organizations, and I know that if someone says they're from Quick Trip, I automatically know that they have great work ethic. Um, it teaches them how to work well with others because they are in a confined space, just in the convenience store, where they see each other 8, 9, 10 hours a day and have to work with them very well and closely. And it teaches them time management skills. And time management skills is important because that is something that you see from Quick Trip associates. They have tasks they have to do, things on their agenda they have to get done. They also know that their primary job is to get the customers in and out as quick as possible. So it teaches them time management skills on when to do those other tasks and when to focus primarily on the customer. And with those behavioral norms, there are some effective things that happens. One is that it creates a welcoming atmosphere to the customer. Two, it helps with repeat business. And three, it gives a positive representation in the community, or positive reputation in the community. And with the repeat business, I know most of you all in class or whoever's listening to this knows with Quick Trip, you've been more than once. Why is that? There are other convenience stores. Sometimes people pass multiple convenience stores to stop by Quick Trip. But the reason why most people continuously go to Quick Trip is because of that consistent behavioral norms. You know you're going to go in, you're going to feel welcome. You're not going to feel like you're bothering the associate. And the food's going to be fresh. Everyone's going to get you in and out pretty quick. Everyone's going to be nice and friendly. You know that already before you go into a Quick Trip. And the positive representation in the community. So I used to work up north in Tulsa. And one thing that they were missing, they didn't have a Quick Trip out there. And they wanted it for so long. And and a lot of businesses were leaving the area. But recently, there was a Quick Trip that was built there. And that Quick Trip is so busy now. I speaking to one of my associates, she was telling me that's one of their busiest Quick Trips in town now. In addition to that, there are other businesses now that are coming in that were leaving that community. They're now coming in near the Quick Trip. So it's a great representation for that reputation for that community. And it also helps with building the community even more because everyone stops by a Quick Trip. So with the information that I received, I went to Quick Trip Mission and Vision Values page, which is really good information that I gathered there. And also I interviewed one of my associates named Sarah Parker. I interviewed her and got a lot of good inside information on how Quick Trips functions and just kind of learning the thought process from a Quick Trip associate. It was very interesting. So I thank you for your time and have a great day.